countries all over the world come to see the tournament. What do you think is going to happen?
We got 6 contestants here competing against the title, where one is the new girl. Who is she? Where did she come from? Like to tell us about the story.
Зарутая подсудники providers are having more.
So in some sort of arena right